Hi everyone, I wanted to make this little slide presentation for you as a follow-up to the first slide presentation about masters, creating agendas in your slides. This time focusing on Keynote for the few of you that may be actually using Keynote. Now the process is basically the same. So here's my slide set, actually the one all about strategy and case analysis that I showed you. The slide master, it's just like in PowerPoint. I go to View and I say Show Master Slides. And then you see them right here. Now what you'll notice is there's a whole bunch of master slides. The idea being that depending on which slide you use, that'll always have the changes you make. So if you look over here, and I'm scrolling down there, here we go. You notice that, boom, there was my agenda right there. It's in all of these right here. That's because I physically went and cut and pasted these slides into that. And there they are right here. Boom, see? Now, if I wanted to change, suppose I'm here in my slide and I go to masters and I find a master that doesn't have my little agenda things, I can just change it and they all disappear. This is still here because that's not in the master, it's actually on the slide. So whenever you want to make an agenda, and I'm going to make a new file here just so we can try it. I'm going to go into my master. I'm going to copy these guys. All right, I'm not going to copy these guys. I'm going to go and create a new doc. Any template we want. Here we go. So the first thing we should notice is the fact that this title page slide is different than all the other ones, just like in PowerPoint. Suppose I want to edit these slides. I'm going to go to View, Show Masters. Now, see that little tick? That's the slide that represents all of these guys here. So if I was to add a shape, it appears on all of them. Now, if I cut this out and I go to this slide that I'm not using, it doesn't affect any of my slides down here. The one that's ticked is the one that is being used. Now, see this square? It's in the indented level. I can go to this guy right here, go to Masters, and find the one with the square to change all of those slides. So the slide master, once again, just allows me to take this, put it down here. Imagine each one of these was a thing I had. Agenda, introduction, internal situation, external situation, cost-benefit analysis, etc. Then in each one of these slides, I'd have to put a physical thing on top of it to show that this is the topic we're on now. So you notice it's not showing up in any of my normal slides. Not sure why that's doing that. It's because I'm using this template, this highlighted master. So if I go down here, select all of these guys, and find that master, now the change is reflected. Come back up here, I can edit all of these. See the changes reflected, just like that. So once that's done, I can go View, Hide Master Slides, and I'm back with these guys. I can't touch these guys right now. Just like in PowerPoint, I can't touch them because they're in the master. What I would do from then on out is every time I had a new slide, I suppose this is background, this is current situation. Just make another slide just for the sake. Let's make it, what color do you guys like? To the expector. There we go. Let's make it a bit more of an interesting color. There we go. Put it like this. BG. Suppose the first 3 slides are BG. Control C, Control V, Control V. Now when I run my presentation, and this is the same thing in PowerPoint. I'm on background, I'm on background, I'm on background. Boom, it's gone. That was the 4th slide where it wasn't there anymore. And that, my friends, is how you do an agenda on each slide. Once again, I highly recommend you do this. Most people won't. If you do, you're ahead of the game. Gives you a clear presentation, and it has one more benefit that I didn't talk about in the previous video. It forces you to be very clear about what information you're using. So if you made this agenda and you put it on all your slides, and then you tried to include a slide that didn't fit somewhere, it would show you A, that information isn't relevant in your presentation, or B, that your agenda of the things you're going to cover aren't covering all the things you need to. So it also helps you, in other words, to organize your thoughts. Well, I hope you guys found that helpful. If you guys have any questions, by the way, I'm going to be including a link to my website, and you can send me emails via that link and ask me any questions you have, and I'll try to respond to it best I can. If a lot of people have the same question, I'll make another video for you. Thanks so much. Take care.